Hi everyone, I am Dr. Garima Sawhney. Today I am going to discuss on the topic that is labiaplasty. I'll first tell you what is labia. We all know that it is one of the external part of the female genital part. Basically, there are two types of labias which are present. One is outer one, we call it as labia majora, and the inner one we call it as labia minora. There are two types of labiaplasties which usually happen. So the outer labiaplasty we call it as Labia Minoraplasty, and the inner one we call it as Labia Minoraplasty. The most common procedure which most of the females come for is Labia Minoraplasty. Why a female wants to get this procedure done? Most of these females have recurrent vaginal infections. They get infections very repeatedly. Most of these females complains about the itching or the discomfort which they have. Labiaplasty, we consider it to be as a minor procedure. So we give a small injection filled with local anesthesia in the labia minora part. Now once that injection is given, the area becomes numb, and then proper marking is done, and then it is cut with the help of laser. This is the newest technique which we are using at Pristyn Care. We are not cutting it with knife or scissors, because what we see that with laser the benefits are more, because the bleeding is less, the healing is faster. It's hardly like it takes half an hour to 45 minutes for the procedure to end. So we trim it with the help of laser. We have to put some stitches, but these are very minute, very thin, very soft suture materials which are used and are placed on the labias, and it dissolves on its own in 3 weeks time. What are not advised here are like certain exercises. You don't have to do lower body exercises. You don't have to stretch your legs. You have to take care of your personal hygiene. What next? We give you certain medications like for 5 to 7 days. Routine activities like going to office, going to work, doing something on a daily basis, definitely you can do. But as I said, it should not involve your lower body. And any one of you suffering from any of these problems, do come to us. We will definitely be helping them in the best way we can. Thank you.
Book your surgery appointment on pristyncare.com. Pristyn Care.